Welcome to this online Sideboom Operator course. This course is designed to help you become a competent entry-level operator who understands and practices industry safety standards when operating a hydraulic side boom. This course presents essential theory that must be supported by comprehensive hands-on training, competency testing, and review of applicable legislation before side boom operation is undertaken. Note that this course does not contain information on mechanical drawworks side booms. If you will be operating a mechanical drawworks side boom, additional theory and hands-on training is required. After completing this course, you should be able to name the major parts of a side boom and explain their function. List the attributes of a good operator. Name 3 main types of inspections and explain what makes them different. Describe proper startup procedures. Demonstrate side boom hand signals. List strategies for safely working on slopes. Describe proper shutdown procedures for normal and emergency situations. List 2 common side boom hazards. Name 5 pieces of hoisting and rigging equipment. Explain the concept of center of gravity. Calculate load weights. Explain the purpose of a load chart. Name 2 hazards you might identify and mitigate in a field-level hazard assessment and list 3 pieces of information to include on a safe work practice form. The information in this course will be presented in 6 modules. Module 1, Side Boom Fundamentals. Module 2, Operation. Module 3, Hoisting and Rigging Equipment. Module 4, Stability. Module 5, HSE Assessments and Forms. And Module 6, Conclusion. Hitches. Once a sling has been selected, a hitch must be used to attach the sling to the load. Choosing the right type of sling and hitch for your load, attaching it properly, and double-checking your work before hoisting a load are important parts of preventing load slippage. We will cover the most common types of hitches now. Single vertical hitch. Single vertical hitches are used for basic loads and consist of a single leg of sling material with a hook and an eye at each end. Single basket hitch. In single basket hitches, a single length of sling material is passed through a load, and both ends of the sling attached to the main hook. If the load might tilt or slide out of the hitch, a single basket hitch is unsuitable. Single choker hitch. Unlike the single basket hitch, in which both ends of the sling attach to the hook at the top, the single choker hitch uses a single length of sling material that hooks back on itself directly above the load. The single choker hitch holds the load tighter than a single basket hitch, but will not totally secure a loose load. This hitch is used when handling pipe on hills so that pipe does not slide through the sling. Shackles. Shackles are often used when hooking 2 cables or slings together. Shackles must be industry and CSA approved. The 2 shackles most commonly used for rigging are anchor or bow-type shackles and chain or D-type shackles. Both types are sized by the diameter of steel in the bow section and are available with round and screw pins. When using shackles, never allow them to be pulled at an angle. Use suitable spacers to center your load on the pin. If the wire rope could roll against the pin and unscrew it, prevent the pin from unscrewing by threading a wire through the pin's hole to the shackle body and consistently check all shackles for damage and replace them if any issues are found that compromise the integrity of the shackle, such as scars on the metal, deformity of its original shape, and wear on the threads.